Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your iPhone settings if you keep getting the error that the iPhone cannot be activated. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the settings on our iPhone if you've not already. So if you do not already have them opened up, you can just go to the home page right here of your iPhone, find the settings icon and tap on it. After tapping on it and opening it up, this is going to be the new settings menu that you're greeted by. So let's go and take a look at what to do if you keep getting the error that you cannot activate your iPhone. So first things first, you want to check the Apple system status. So you can visit the Apple system status page to ensure that your iOS device activation service is available, which is indicated by a green light. If there is an issue, you want to wait a few minutes or hours and then try again. You can also verify your network connection. Here you can go ahead and open up your Wi-Fi and your mobile service to verify that you have mobile data that you need to use to be able to set up your iPhone, and after that you can just go ahead and restart your iPhone. So simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches, and you want to make sure that this is not causing the problem. So just go ahead and restart your device if you have just turned it on for the first time, and this should fix any problems you have. If you can still not go ahead and activate your iPhone, what you want to do is contact the Apple support, get in touch with them, explain to the support what is happening, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix any problems you're having. So thanks for watching today's one. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So see you in the next one, and bye.